I got this spray-on bedliner kit on eBay. I think it was about 110 bucks or something like that. So I'm gonna spray it on this Dodge here and see how it works. So I just finished up spraying in this Raptor bedliner. I got it on eBay. I think it was 100 bucks, I think I said. But yeah, it worked really good. The gun that they send actually works really good. It sprays out really even, and there's not much overspray at all. And it goes down nice and smooth. I got a 4-liter kit. It comes in 1-liter bottles. There's 4 of them in there. So I put all 4 down on this bed. So there's 2 coats on here. So I'm gonna let it set up. Let it sit in the garage for a couple days so it don't get wet. And we'll see how it does. But yeah, it's worth the money. I'm probably gonna undercoat some of this truck with it. I'll probably get another kit. And I got an old Ford Ranger, an old beater. I might just paint the entire thing in it just to see what happens. So, but yeah, easy to do, and it's a good product.